Hello guys and welcome back to MLS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to activate demotion protection. And what this basically is that you don't lose any SR for a certain amount of games. So for the first, if you're just new to ranked, you don't have any SR loss for like 3 match losses. So you could play like 3 games, if you could win them all, but even if you lose one, you won't lose any SR. So in order to activate this basically, well, it does get automatically activated, but it also does get renewed every single day. So every time it's your first match of the day, you won't lose any SR from that. And every time you rank up, so let's just say I go from bronze 3 to gold 1, or sorry, bronze 3 to silver 1, I will also have 3 loss protection, 3 match, the motion protection. But this won't happen if you go from bronze 1 to bronze 2. It's only if you go from like bronze 3 to silver 1, or silver 3 to gold 1, etc. So yeah, that is basically another thing. I'll mention it again. You can only you always get it at the start of a new day. So once get on after day, it will say your first game of the day. You won't lose any SR. So that's something good to keep in mind. And yeah, that is basically it. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.